Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani. Thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. So let's get started. But before I get into the video, if you're new to this channel, welcome guys. I am so appreciative of you stopping by to watch this video. I am coming to you guys today to share a small Ross fall haul. I'm on my way to Bible study, so I'm gonna make it real quick. I think I have about 10 or 11 items. So let's get into it. Okay, the first item I got, actually one item came from Hobby Lobby, and it is this burlap bowl. It does light up, and the price for it was $7.99. Okay, that's the only item that I got from Hobby Lobby. The next items are all from Ross. I got two of these, and they're leaf placemats. Really cute. They're in a gold color, so they're two in a set, and I needed 4, so I got 2 sets, and they were really reasonable. They were only $4.99. The next item I got was this table runner. It's a 13-inch by 70. It was only $9.99. It's by Hempstead Hill. It says, "Give thanks." Okay, real cute. I'm looking forward to using this for my tablescape for the fall. Then I got this, let me see what it's called. I got an owl sachet, real pretty, and guys, this thing smells so good, and it was only $4.99. All right, real cute. The next item I got was this acorn. It too was also $4.99, but it is it lights up. Real cute. I don't know if you can see that it is lit. Turn it off. Okay, now let me turn it on. Okay, real cute. I wish I could have gotten a couple of these, but this was the only one that they had, and it was only $4.99. All right. The next item I got was this pumpkin. They had 2 of these in the store, identical. One was $10.99, and then the other one, which I got, was $6.99. It really didn't make sense why it would have 2 different prices. So I was like, since it's the same exact thing, I might as well get the one that's cheaper. And like I said, it is $6.99. And it's this beautiful pumpkin. I have a plate that I haul from the Martha Stewart line with like this scroll design, so I thought that would really look good on my tablescape. I was hoping I could get at least 3, but like I said, one was $10.99 and this one was $6.99, so got this one. Then I got this silver leaf. I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. Again, I wish I could have gotten like 4, a total of 4, because it is food safe. So I would have loved to like use this for like a small salad or some fruits, and it was reasonable. It was only $3.99. Okay, I have 2 more items, guys. The next item I got, I have been on the hunt for these like forever and a day, and every time I go to Ross, it wasn't available. I think they came up probably like 2 years now. So when I saw it, I was like, I absolutely have to get it. And it's the bling pumpkin that everybody has been hauling. I think this one is the small. It was only $9.99 and they only had one in the store, so I got it. I'm actually going to Ross later on today to return a couple items, so I'm hoping that I'll luck up and find some more. And then my last item, guys, is these pumpkins. It's a set of 4 and it spells out the word fall. Don't know if you can see it. Okay, and you get 4 for $11.99. Well guys, that's the end of my haul. Like I said, it's a real short haul. The reason why I don't want to pick up too many things because I still have not decided if I'm going to decorate my living room downstairs. Hopefully, the guy said by this week my living room should be painted. I did have like wallpaper on one wall in my living room that I would like to replace back, but I'm having a hard time trying to find it. I bought it on Amazon probably like 3 years ago, so that probably may hold me back in doing my fall decor or decorating for fall downstairs. Well guys, like I said, this is the end of the haul. Coming up next, I might do, like, I have a little entry table. My entryway isn't that big, but I have a table right there. I'm probably going to decorate that for you guys to see. I do have a small Goodwill haul that I can show you guys, and I think some grocery hauls coming up. So if you'd like to see those videos, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Also hit that notification bell so you can always be notified every time I upload a new video. Again guys, thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. I'm not just saying that because I want to say it. I'm saying it because I mean it. YouTube is such a large community. You could have chosen to watch anybody's video, but you took the time to watch mine, so I am truly, truly grateful. Well guys, everybody be blessed. Have an awesome, awesome day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.